Madam, first of all, yeah, I want to really thank you. It was really amazing session. Every time I attend, there is so much to learn. I'm just going to have my dinner, and I thought, no, no, I won't have it. So I really want to thank you. It is really amazing. I want to ask you one thing. Regarding uploading the course. I was also talking with the person who is doing it. Teachable, like it becomes quite expensive. Then he suggests me an alternative, like where there is a learning modules platform, like you buy one time, like it's like 25,000 and you don't need to pay anything. And he had also shown me the video, which I really liked it. And I'm thinking of going for it because in Teachable, because my video content was getting so big that it might be like 20 hours and I need to pay per month. So it might be quite expensive. And then he said, why not you make an investment for one time, and then you upload your course in one that's a platform. It's a local something, but they have collaboration with US something. And he has shown me all the video, and it comes exactly like a Teachable platform only. The price was telling me that final price is to like 25,000. I'm thinking, like, should I go for it?
No, are you talking about Learn Dash?
Yeah, the learn LMS system, but it is not something it is something like a coding thing which he has showed me, and I've seen there is an Instagram whole video which is been put is being through coded and everything. It's not like Thinkific or Kajabi or
No,
Teachable
it's
or
like you
something.
can
It's something
host it.
totally,
You
yeah,
can
whole course,
host it.
and it's in your website.
You can host it on your server. One time pay
Yeah,
fee and host. So I have. It is very technical to set up. That is definitely there. If you
but
have
like
that
everything is in your website. Everything
technical
it will be in
support.
your website. Everything it will be in.
No, so
Like you
my input to
don't.
that is no. So you know what? Because I invested too much in Teachable, I have everything, and I see it as $120, right? $120 is 8-9 हज़ार रुपए. That's all. Okay. एम्प्लॉय भी नहीं मिलता है उसमें पर मंथ, और उसमें इतने सारे फीचर्स है. दूसरा, when such tools which become popular, na, they are continuously upgrading and putting new things there. Okay, so when you host it on your platform, the upgrades and all are done. Upgrades नहीं मिलेगा आपको. आपको अपग्रेड्स नहीं मिलेगा प्रोडक्ट का. अगर वो नया कुछ पेमेंट सेटअप लेके आ रहा है, इंटीग्रेशन लेके आ रहा है, तो ये सब आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. So so it totally depends. Okay, what I would say is simply take Vimeo ना. 25,000 भी क्यों डाल रहे हो? Vimeo पे अपने कोर्स डालो, मॉड्यूल बाय मॉड्यूल Vimeo पे. ऐसे $6 पर मंथ है वो बस. बिकॉज लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम में बहुत सारे और फीचर्स होते हैं, विच इज सर्टिफिकेट्स, बंडलिंग द कोर्सेस, सेंडिंग ईमेल्स, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. Teachable is not one of the. I'm not. It is at times it behaves crazy when I'm uploading. Suddenly something else will open, and I have issues with it. Okay, but now because I've invested so much in that, I'm continuing to be there. So I'm not necessarily recommending LMS to you guys. जरूरी नहीं है. लेकिन अगर आप विमियो जैसा टूल में अगर अपने वीडियोस डाल देते हो, मॉड्यूल 1 वगैरह वहां बना के अपलोड कर सकते हो. तो मैंने विमियो देखा नहीं है. इट्स अ वीडियो होस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, बट कैन इट बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ कोर्स एंड मॉड्यूल वाइज एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स? आई एम नॉट श्योर. Okay, LearnDash, I have not used it, so I can't tell, but I know that somebody had told me, Vandana, why are you paying so much money to Teachable? Now I have so much more than 500 plus hours of content on Teachable, my own.
वंदना जी, आप हमें LML रिकमेंड करेंगे या बताएंगे कुछ इसके बारे में?
मैं तो टीचेबल यूज कर रही हूँ, मैं तो वही बोलूंगी. और थिंकिफिक करके एक है, आई विल से दैट ओनली.
आप जो आप कर रहे हो वही बताना, सो वी कैन, आई मीन
मैं जो कर रही हूँ वही बताओ. मैं दूसरा, बिकॉज़ बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है.
तो मंथली एक्सपेंस कितना आ जाता है टीचेबल में? हाउ मच यू आर पेइंग मंथली?
$119, that's all.
109, that becomes like 8 to 10,000 rupees. I think around 10,000 rupees.
अरे यार, तुमको कितना, हाउ मच इज योर रेवेन्यू गोल ध्रुव?
बट अभी तो अर्निंग ही स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, तो रेवेन्यू गोल तो
अभी क्यों होस्ट? तो अभी आपको $120 पे जाना ही नहीं है. अभी $29 में काम हो जाएगा.
नहीं किसी
Which
मेरा
platform?
जो कंटेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, so even if I take teaching basic one, it is not going to because they have a little restriction.
मैं एक ही इनपुट सबको दूंगी. Any tool that you are buying, never go for a full year payment. Number one. Any tool that you are buying, do only monthly because there are new tools coming in the market. Okay, so if I would not invest in something like this LearnDash. I would not, because हम खुद software tools sell करते हैं. Okay, so I understand the power of ये तो ऐसा हो गया कि एक टूल दे दिया, अब आपने अपने कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में सेटअप कर लिया, राइट? अब वो टूल कुछ और अपग्रेड्स ला रहा है, कुछ नई चीजें और लेके आ रहा है, तो वो आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलने वाला, क्योंकि आपने तो वन टाइम फी पैसा देके उसको अपना वर्जन बना लिया. यू आर सिंपली होस्टिंग ऑन योर सर्वर एंड दे हैव गिवन यू दैट एक्सेस. तो मेरे लिए तो वो 25,000 भी वेस्ट हो गए. That's how I think.
If you want a review of the tools, where is going to, I can send you the link and you can have a look at it, because there is everything in it, and maybe you can just give me a review of it. If you want, I can send you everything. So, it is charging 25,000, and that is not a monthly expense or next year and anything, and there is no yearly maintenance fee also. So if you want, I can send you this. So what even if you want to use it, it can be even beneficial for you.
You can share the details. I will have a look. But generally, what happens is, unless मेरा खुद का अंदर when you do certain things, you realize बाद में कि अरे ये तो पहले हमने ये सोचा था, लेकिन ये हो रहा है. तो सिर्फ आउटसाइड से रिव्यू पढ़ के पता नहीं लगेगा, बट कुछ पता लग जाएगा.
उसका वीडियो भी है, मैं उस पे डाउनलोड करके कोर्स मॉड्यूल का, एंड यू हैव शोन मी एवरी इंस्ट्रक्शन, एवरीथिंग, लाइक व्हाट इट इज, लाइक यू कैन लीव अ कमेंट, यू कैन आल्सो रिप्लाई बैक टू दिस. देयर इज अ होल वीडियो व्हिच इज डन.
Dhruv, I wouldn't have time to do that, because अगर मेरे पास इतना ही टाइम होता तो मैं और मेरे को कन्वर्ट किट पे मेरे को शिफ्ट होना है, मेरे पास वो टाइम नहीं निकल रहा है, तो मैं वीडियो तो नहीं देख पाऊंगी किसी का, बिकॉज आई एम डन एंड डस्टेड देयर. आई हैव वन प्लेटफॉर्म. सो आप डिटेल भेजोगे तो आई कैन, इफ इट इज नॉट टेकिंग मोर देन 5 minutes or so, I can quickly glance through and let you know. But मैंने LearnDash के ऊपर टाइम स्पेंड किया है, क्योंकि मुझे किसी ने बोला था जब मैं टीचेबल पे $119 पे जा रही थी. आई फाउंड इट वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. अच्छा, ये करना है, उसमें टेक्निकल सपोर्ट चाहिए, ये वेबसाइट जाके उस पर वो करना है. तो अनलेस यू हैव समबडी टेक्निकल वर्किंग विथ यू क्लोजली, आई वुड नॉट who can keep on, घर के, मतलब अपनी वाइफ ही ऐसी है जो सॉफ्टवेयर वाली है, तो कुछ भी इशू आया तो she will fix it. Otherwise, if it is a paid service to get that setup done, then it is, again, you have a dependency on someone. Teachable is giving me the freedom to have zero dependency on anyone. I have just one dependency on Teachable to give me a custom domain, which I am not able to close it with my website guy. Though I am paying $119, I still say vandana.teachable.com. I can just say grow.vandanamherotra.com. That's all. But I am not even able to close that, because the people who did my website, the shifting server, something or the other is happening. One time I asked them, he asked me something, it's not closing. Then I said, okay, I don't have time for that to close that also. I'm okay if it is called vandana.teachable.com. I have no issues, right? So जहां मेरे को दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंसी आती है, वहां मेरे हाथ पांव फूल जाते हैं, because I want the things done now. Next 2 minutes I want it closed. I can't wait for 2 days. So these tools, there are many tools, right? So that is totally your call. Okay, I'm not a very happy customer of Teachable also, I'm telling you, because I have so many challenges when somebody signs in, जो for मेरा recorded courses लेते हैं. I literally have to get into a call with people to tell them how to, I know they've already been given access, how to access it, because वो उनका स्कूल अकाउंट अलग है, स्टूडेंट अकाउंट अलग है, वो क्या मैसेज मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. तो आई एम नॉट अ वेरी हैप्पी कस्टमर ऑफ टीचेबल ऑल्सो, बट मेरा काम हो रहा है. ओके, So that is why I'm still on it. And as I said, I've invested too much time and money there. So money in the sense, अब सब लोग हैं, अभी मेरे comments आ गए, इतने सारे 425-30 स्टूडेंट हो गए, तो I don't want to shift to another platform right now. So that call you will have to make right away. You should find people who are already using LearnDash and go and ask in some Quora में जाके पूछो, help me compare Teachable and LearnDash.
Ma'am, in $29, how much? What is the length of the course in hours?
So I am not sure. See, when I signed up for Teachable, मैंने तो फ्री में इतने सारे कोर्स, कभी कोई लिमिट नहीं था उसमें, क्योंकि जब मैंने कोर्स मई में अगस्त में बनाना चालू करा, मैंने तो $0 पे मेरे जो भी आप कोर्स, एक्सेप्ट फॉर प्राइवेट कोचिंग वर्ल्ड, फॉर फ्यू न्यू कोर्सेज, आई हैड अपलोडेड एवरीथिंग. देयर वाज नो लिमिट एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम. और उस टाइम पे दे अलाउड फ्री अकाउंट आल्सो. नाउ दे हैव चेंज्ड द ऑल द परमिशंस इन लास्ट 6 months. ओके, आई थिंक सितंबर ऑनवर्ड शालिनी भी जब आई थी तब उसको फ्री अकाउंट खोलने को नहीं मिला था. तो कुछ लिमिटेशन है क्या उसमें? नंबर ऑफ वीडियोस दैट यू कैन not, it will be not a number of videos, it will be the gigabytes that you will storage.
Yeah,
I will have to check that, but we are talking too advanced things, let's not go there.
Yes.
Okay, we're talking too advanced stuff right now. Just stop it, let's stop it here. तब हो सकता है तब तक कोई और अच्छा टूल आ जाए जो सारा जो हमें एक ही जगह दे रहा है. And if I come to know, I'm definitely going to recommend that. Okay, because I can also shift to that tool. I want to, currently my Teachable Hub is very dirty in the sense, मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें एक्सपेरिमेंट की सब उधर बना डाला. अब now if I'm making very crisp courses, okay, then and some new platform comes, I'm going to make there, so that is neat and clean, which is fast momentum वाला सामान उधर डालेंगे. So there are things happening, and I keep in touch with places where they share all this information. So by the time you guys are ready, तब तक कुछ अच्छा टूल आएगा तो उस पे चले जाएंगे. नहीं तो Thinkific भी है, वो कम है, और उस पे Thinkific is also there, okay, which because I am one of my mentors program is on Thinkific. One of my mentors program was in Kajabi. Okay, so I though I was not on that platform, I was a user of that platform, but I don't know how the backend works there.